So I just got my tools out and tried to tighten this about a week and a half ago. And I just want to show you, so right now it's actually pretty good. But as you can see, the water level keeps falling and falling, and eventually it completely turns off. So unless this is on all the way, it just fails to stay on. And you can see it with this video. So this is a week and a half after I've gotten the tools out and tightened this Marielle faucet. And unfortunately, this is the second one they've sent me after we replaced the insides 2 other times. And I've had to hire people to do this. And it's become, I've just never received a working faucet completely. And it's super frustrating. And I've gone round and round and round with Pfister on this, and they've sent parts, but every time they've sent it, it hasn't worked. So this is my kind of final last-ditch attempt to show what's happening with the faucet so that other people, I wouldn't, unfortunately, I love the look of it, but I wouldn't recommend it because unless you keep this on all the way like that, it eventually, you know, if you're a water saver, it eventually just turns off. And it's super frustrating to pay $448 for a sink that just turns off.